today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select where you want to add the widget, and then just hold for a while on the screen, and you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and now you can see all available applications on your device which you can add the widget. For example, we can add the just the clocks. Here we got this 4 different types of the clock in this, can you see? And for example, we can add the analog clock. So hold for a while this widget and drag it, for example, to this section. As can you see, we can make the widget smaller or bigger by this way. And also we can move this widget here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. And if you want, we can create also the new screens with the widgets. And then, for example, we can add here one more widget, the Gmail one, or for example the maps, directions, or the photos. So here you can see that we got really a lot of different types of applications and the types of each of the widgets. For example, the weather also here we can add. So hold for a while and drag it this widget here, and just here set up all the settings. And as can you see, we just successfully add here the new widget. And if you want just to remove some widget, hold for a while and click here to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.